WallStreetBets makes cannabis soar in the stock market. This is a daily breakdown on the stock market produced and distributed by Wall Street Lifestyle. Today we are talking about the boom of cannabis in the stock market. Make sure to stay till the end. The Tesla bubble burst and the market is abnormal. The current levels of Dow Jones, NASDAQ, and all other stocks continue to challenge people's understanding. When the stock market crashes, beware of losses. On Wall Street, marijuana-related stocks are expected to rise sharply due to speculation by retail investors. According to a widely circulated post on WallStreetBets Reddit, Canadian cannabis growers in Tilray and Aphria will provide huge appreciation potential. Cannabis stocks are boiling. Canadian cannabis producers Tilray and Aphria, listed on Wall Street, have strong upside potential. This message has been shared by more than 10,000 users. Last night, Tilray and Grow Pharma signed an agreement to import and distribute its medical cannabis products in the UK. Overall, the industry has benefited from the Biden election this year. Investors hope that the Democratic camp will relax the use of recreational marijuana. At the end of this process, through a share exchange, Aphria shareholders will control 62% of the shares of the new group listed on the NASDAQ. Edible cannabis is here. Canada continues to develop in the commercialization of cannabis. After the legalization of recreational marijuana, edible foods based on this drug will be approved by the end of this year. Bill Blair said the revised regulations are to reduce the risks associated with the consumption of cannabis, cannabis extracts, and cannabis related to public health and safety, and to replace these products on the illegal market in Canada. Measures, the Minister of Border Security and Organized Crime Reduction in a statement. The amount of cannabis present in the products will also be monitored. According to data from the Federal Statistical Office, 600,000 of them tried their first use. The market is expected to be profitable for various companies that will go through the process of inserting drugs into their food. Indeed, since Joe Biden took office at the White House, marijuana stocks have been rising in the stock market. The Democratic camp actually agrees to liberalize the consumption of marijuana for medical and recreational purposes. The committee representing cannabis users welcomed the election results in a statement and said it was ready to start discussions with the government to reform what is considered ancient cannabis laws. However, there are currently more than 111 million Americans, 33.8% of the population, living in states that have approved the purchase of marijuana for all adults. On Wall Street in the past 2 trading days, Canopy Growth grew by 24%, and Aurora Cannabis grew by 120%. Canopy Growth also today reported a net loss of 9 cents in Canada in the second quarter, while the market generally expected a loss of 37 cents. Revenue jumped 77% to 135.3 million Canadian dollars. The market share is 118.1 million. These data show that the U.S. cannabis market has grown steadily. From 2015 to 2019, the size of the market almost tripled, from $4.8 billion to $13.6 billion. The cannabis market is expected to nearly double in the next 5 years, reaching $25.5 billion, and enjoy approximately 32% growth between 2018 and 2019. In recent years, the trend has been to legalize marijuana, especially in North America. If the rest of the world decides to legalize it, the prospects for the cannabis market will be brighter. Regarding therapeutic uses, demand is also strong. With 1.2 billion people suffering from diseases that can be alleviated through the use of cannabis. Therefore, investors who decide to become shareholders of companies in the cannabis industry will benefit from the long-term growth of the market. Let us know your thinking by typing your comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you wouldn't miss awesome content like this one. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you at our next episode.